Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify broken link building outreach with Mailshake step by step clearly. To begin the process of verifying broken link building outreach with Mailshake, log in to your Mailshake account. From the dashboard, click on the New Campaign button to start a new outreach campaign. Enter a compelling campaign name that reflects your broken link building strategy. Next, select the link building template from the available options. Once the template is loaded, customize the email subject line to grab the recipient's attention. In the email body, succinctly explain the reason for your outreach and mention the broken link you discovered. Make sure to include a link to your own relevant resource that would serve as a replacement. After crafting your email, navigate to the Recipients tab in the campaign setup. Import your previously gathered list of prospects who link to the content with the broken link. Ensure that you verify the email addresses to reduce bounce rates and increase engagement. Next, adjust any personalization settings to enhance the connection with your recipients. Once all your emails are tailored and prospects added, head to the Schedule section. Choose the best time and frequency for sending the outreach emails for optimal open rates. After scheduling, review all campaign details to ensure everything is accurate and aligned with your goals. Click on the Start Campaign button to initiate your outreach effort. As your campaign runs, monitor the analytics provided by Mailshake to track open rates, replies, and link clicks. Respond to any replies promptly to maintain engagement and follow up where necessary. Finally, analyze the results of your campaign to identify which outreach strategies were most effective. Use these insights to refine your future outreach efforts and improve your broken link building campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.